What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to renew your Airtel 5G Smartbox router. Now this was actually a very big problem for me initially when I got the router, and that was particularly because there was no tutorial I could watch on YouTube or even any comprehensive step-by-step tutorial to help me go about recharging or renewing my Airtel 5G Smartbox router. But then I actually figured out the whole process, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. So quick one, what you will just want to do is to go ahead and get your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, then open up any browser on your phone. In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser over here. Now on the top search bar of your browser, you want to go ahead and enter the following URL, airtel.com.ng/broadband-recharge. So type in airtel.com.ng/broadband-recharge. Once you open up this link, it will automatically take you to the page where you should be able to recharge your Airtel 5G Smartbox router. Alternatively, if you cannot enter the URL I just called out into your browser, what you want to do from the top search bar of your browser, you want to go ahead and search for Renew Airtel Router. Now, once the page loads, you just want to go ahead and click on the airtel.com.ng link over here. And then from this top menu over here, you want to go ahead and click on Pay and Recharge option. And then just go ahead and click on the broadband recharge option over here. And that should automatically take you to the page where you should be able to recharge your Airtel 5G Smartbox router subscription. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and enter the phone number of the SIM card that is inside of your Airtel 5G router. Now, if you do not know the number of the SIM card on your Airtel 5G router, you can also just go ahead and remove the SIM card. It is just at the back of the router over here. So just at the back over here, if you remove this, you should be able to find the SIM card slots. This is actually a SIM card. You can go ahead and remove it, put it on your mobile phone, and then just check the number of the SIM card. You can dial *121#, and then you should be able to find the number of your SIM card on your Airtel router. Once you've been able to find the number, you want to go ahead and enter the number inside of this in-page field that we have over here. And then what you just want to do at this point is to scroll down and select the Airtel 5G Smartbox router plan you want. In my case, I want to go with the 30,000 naira option over here. Just click on 30,000. And now you want to choose your method of payment. You can go ahead and pay with Paystack or Flutterwave. Basically, you just want to enter your email over here. I'll go ahead and enter mine and then just click on continue to pay. Now at this point, you want to choose your method of payment. Usually, I like to pay through bank transfer. So I'll just go ahead and select the pay with transfer option so I can actually just transfer the money into this account. So what I will just do is to go ahead and get the number. So this is actually the account I'm supposed to make the payment to. Okay, so I have just successfully transferred the 30,000 naira subscription, and immediately the page updated itself and showed me my transaction receipt. Now I can go ahead and screenshot this just for record purpose. But then few of the things you have to keep in mind is that you have to make the exact amount of payments that is displayed on the screen. And aside from that, you also have to make sure that you make the payment within the time frame that was actually given to you at the bottom of the page. Once you're done, the page should automatically update itself and give you a thank you page that looks just like this. If your renewal does still not reflect on the Airtel router, what you can actually do is to just go ahead and turn off the router. So I'll just go ahead and unplug it from the power and then just go ahead and plug it back. This will actually reset the router quickly. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.